Yeah, and then what? Chikuan, kinsa man na? Frontliner ka tayo. Let's start. Oh, shit. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And as you can see sa title ng video na to, we're gonna be bleaching my hair. I'm gonna be bleaching my hair. What the heck? Okay, so without further ado, let's start. Okay, so first I'm gonna be showing you the things that I'm gonna use. So first we have our powder bleach. This one, okay. Oh, by the way, I bought this, not all of these stuff, but most of it. This one and the developer, which I'm also gonna use, 12%. I bought it in downtown Dumaguete. The salon after Gold Label and in front of Veterans Bank and just before Aldea. It's not in Google Maps, so I don't know, and I forgot the name, sorry. And yeah, so what else do you need? You need a mixing bowl. I'm actually going for silver blue. You can see, oh, yeah, you can see that there. And I had a hair developer for it also, like 6%, which is 20 volume 20, I don't know. And then this is a purple shampoo and toner. They also have a purple shampoo there, or I think they call it toner over there, but I have mine already, like before pa, so I didn't bother to buy na. And then gloves. This gloves is expired. And yeah, 2019 pa na expired. And plastic or cellophane. And a hair cap. Okay, so I'm gonna be placing the items down below, like its description, name, whatever. And I almost forgot that you should also grab an old shirt or a towel. So yeah, and by the way, I am not a professional hairstylist, so everything that I'm doing here is at my own risk. Is that risk? Yeah, it's on me, so alright, so let's start. Okay, so now that I've changed, let's start putting in stuff. By the way, you can hear my nephew in the background and my dogs kasi ang ingay nila sometimes. So yeah, according to the internet, you should put one part bleach, 1:2 ratio, 1 part bleach and 2 parts of hair developer. But unfortunately, I don't have a specific measuring thing. Oh, this is a measuring thing, but then like itong, yeah, the one that they use, I don't have it. So I'm just using this milk scoop from my nephew's milk. Yeah. And I'm just winging this. 1, 2. Yeah, my dog. Told you. 3. And 4. The developer. I don't know how to measure this, so I'm just. Oh. This looks familiar. Oh. Then mix. Okay, now that I've mixed all of it, I'm wearing my gloves. I think this is a lot for my hair, but whatever. Let's start. Oh shit. Here we go.
A few moments later.
So I've done it already, and I'll leave this for maybe an hour. Frontliner ka tayo. Okay, so I'm gonna be leaving this for an hour or hanggang sa makakaya ko. And sometimes it stings. Yeah, but then so far wala naman. So see you guys later.
A few inches later.
Okay, so it's been an hour and I'm gonna be taking these off, so let's see. Basig mo nagbadyo tayo. Whoa. So this is actually the first stage of bleaching bleaching black hair. So much yellow pa rin siya. Then next, so I'm gonna be washing this off and then we'll apply the next one. Okay, so this is how it looks like after the first bleach and while it's wet. Okay, so now that it's somewhat dry, I want to give my scalp a rest for like maybe 30 minutes or after I eat dinner. Kasi kakain na. So yeah. Okay, now it's definitely dry and I just had my dinner. It's been 30 minutes as well. Now we're gonna be applying the second layer. Here we go. What happened here? It's so bubbly. Go.
A few moments later.
So yeah, remove the gloves. Oh shiz. Plastic on. Okay, so my nephew is crying outside. I'm so sorry about that. But it has been 30 minutes and it's time to take it off again and see the result of the second. Woo! Here we go. Whoa. So that's how it looks like, people. My scalp is really... let's see the back. I kind of missed parts from the back from the first one, and that's why I think this is the outcome of it. I can't touch it. Hirap naman. Oh, there it is. So, but I hope matago lang to. See? I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like, yeah. So, I'll wash this and I'ma see you guys after. Bye. Okay, so this is how it looks like, the second bleach, and I already washed my hair with the shimmer lights, but I'm gonna be putting it and leaving it on for 3 to 5 minutes. This is actually a shampoo, so maybe at this point you can use the toner that. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave this on for 3 to 5 minutes again. Okay, so guys, this is it. This is after the purple shampoo or the toner that I left for around 3 to 5 minutes. Again, this is the second bleaching. Yeah, and it's still very yellow and there's a lot of brassy tones in it. I'm gonna be bleaching it tomorrow na lang because it's already late. It's around 10 p.m. and my scalp is somewhat sensitive ish already, so I'm gonna be doing it tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, and then what? Si Kuan, kinsa man na? It's a camera. Oh, careful. Tomorrow na lang or some other time. Okay? Hey guys, what's up? And we're gonna be doing the third session of our bleaching. I just woke up and let's get on to it. So here we go. Just this way. 1 second. So now I've got that. I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it that long because it kind of stings already. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so 30 minutes has been done and let's take it off. It stings like the heck. Where's the clip? Here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna wash this off and also using my purple shampoo, and after the first wash I'm gonna leave it for 3 to 5 minutes again, then get back to you guys. So bye. Okay, so I'm back and this is how it looks like the third bleaching session. So I'm not yet contented with this, so I think I'm gonna go for the fourth, but then that's gonna be my last one because I don't want to overdo it, and my scalp really burns every time I put it now. So the fourth bleaching session is the last one for me. Whatever is the outcome, then that's it. I'm sorry for the hammering because may mga construction workers sa labas. So let's go. Okay, that really hurts. So I'm just gonna leave this on for I think 30 minutes or less until where I can tolerate the pain. And I'm not gonna cover this anymore with plastic because I think the heat is contributing to the pain. So 30 minutes or less. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and as you can see it got lighter, and yeah, then I'm gonna wash my hair now and I'm gonna use again the purple shampoo, and for the second time I'm gonna leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. So see you guys again. Okay guys, I have a guest and my guest is Kian. Say hi. Hi, say hi. Oh, what do you want to say to them? You want to say something? Okay, go. Say something. And then? Mm-hmm. Are you telling them to follow you on your vlog? Do you even have a vlog? Uh-huh. And then? Uh-huh. And then? Okay. 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 Alright guys, so I'm just gonna have him maybe some part of my next video or a whole video dedicated to him. Alright, Ki? Okay, so guys, I'm back and I've washed my hair and blow dried it, and this is how it looks. So tell me what you guys think. I don't know, I really like it. And I think I'm gonna postpone dyeing my hair into silver blue because my scalp is kinda sensitive already, so I'm gonna probably do it in a couple of days, after a couple of days. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you want to. Alright, bye.